Hey everybody, this is our Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna just take a picture of everything that we're having tonight. So we've got mashed potatoes, we have roasted Brussels sprouts, we have homemade gravy, we have fried cauliflower, we have candied yams, we have the bird, we have gravy. Of course, there's gravy in the bird.
Can't get back to my bird.
I'm sorry. Jack is carving the bird. That looks amazing. Oh my gosh. That's not all yours. That is not all yours. You can't have it all. Okay, so we have that.
Cook's preference.
And in this tin foil, we have rolls. There is gravy in the gravy boat. Okay, so I am going to give a special prize to whoever can guess how many people we are feeding with all of this food. I'm going to move.
Yes, you will.
Okay, so how many people are we feeding with all of this food, guys? Guess in the comment section below and let me know. And the closest person to the amount of people that we are feeding with all of this 21-pound turkey, you guys, will win a prize. So happy Thanksgiving, and we will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.